In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a GitHub account in Hostinger. If you want to link GitHub to your Hostinger account, the process is very straightforward and only takes a moment. Connecting the two can make it easier to work with projects and manage integrations more smoothly inside your Hostinger account. To get started, make sure you're already logged into your Hostinger dashboard. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll usually find your account-related options. Click there to open the menu and then select Account Information. This will take you to the section where you can manage your personal account settings and connected services. After that, scroll down through the Account Information page until you find the Account Integrations section. This area is specifically for linking external platforms to your Hostinger account. So, if you don't see it right away, just keep scrolling a little further until it appears. When you find Account Integrations, look for the GitHub option. Next to it, you'll see a Connect button. Go ahead and click that button to begin the connection process. At this point, Hostinger will redirect you to the GitHub sign-in page or open a sign-in prompt, depending on your browser and current login status. Now simply sign in to your GitHub account. Enter your login details on the GitHub page and continue through the authorization process if prompted. In some cases, GitHub may ask you to confirm that you want to allow Hostinger to connect with your account. If that happens, review the permissions and approve the connection to move forward. Once the sign-in is complete, you should be taken back to Hostinger, where the integration will be connected. It's a good idea to double-check that the GitHub status now shows as connected, just to make sure everything was completed successfully. And that's it. That's how to connect your GitHub account in Hostinger. As a quick tip, if the connection doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page or repeating the sign-in step to ensure the authorization went through properly. Keeping your integrations connected correctly can save time later, especially if you plan to use GitHub-related features inside Hostinger. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.